Hi everybody. Today I am going to discuss question number 6 from exercise 17b, that means construction chapter. So in question number 6 there is given construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 4.3 centimeter, angle C equal to 45 degree and AC equal to 6 centimeter. So first I have drawn here 4.3 centimeter and 6 centimeter, that's that line segment. Then I am taking here a bigger line. Okay. Now angle C is 45 degree, that is given. So here BX, I am giving name BX because any measurement, by taking any measurement I have drawn this line. Then BC I will take measurement. BC measurement is 4.3 centimeter. This is BC. Now angle C is given 45 degree. So 45 degree we know that how to draw by compass. First I am drawing 90 degree angle at the point C. Then I join it. Now question is why I have drawn 90 degree angle? Because I have to draw 45 degrees. So 45 degrees bisect of 90 degree angle. That's why I have drawn 90 degree angle. Now I will bisect it. Bisect means more than half radius I have taken. Okay, see, more than half radius I have taken. Now from this point this is, now I join it. Okay, now AC is given. AC is 6 centimeter. So I will take measurement AC. I have taken. Now from C point to this I have cut. Now join it. This is point A. Now join AB. this is angle, this is triangle ABC. Therefore triangle ABC is formed where BC equal to 4.3 centimeter, AC equal to 6 centimeter, and angle C equal to 45 degree. Completed. Now question number 7. Construct a triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC equal to 5.2 centimeter and angle A equal to 120 degree. Draw AD perpendicular BC. Okay, so AB and AC is 5.2 centimeter. I have drawn it 5.2 centimeter. Now I am taking a bigger line. AX, I have given name. Now AB and AC equal to 5.2 centimeter. So I am taking first .2 centimeter measurement. This is AB. Now angle A equal to 120 degree. So now I am drawing 120 degree angle at the point A. Just any radius I have taken. Then by taking same radius, this is 60 degree, we know that, and this is 120 degree. So I am joining this one. This is angle A, that means 120 degree. Now what to take? AC measurement I have to take, that is 5.2 5.2 centimeter. Now I can join it. This is C. I can join it C and B. So I am joining. Now what to draw? AD perpendicular BC. AD perpendicular BC. How to draw perpendicular line C? From the point A, I am drawing an arc on BC. Yes, it will intersect the BC point, BC line segment. It will be intersected. 2 points will be intersected in the line segment BC. Okay. Now more than half radius we have to take. More than half radius I have taken. This is now we have to join it from A. This is D. Therefore, triangle ABC is formed in which AB equal to AC equal to 5.2 centimeter, angle A equal to 120 degree, and AD perpendicular BC. Okay, this is the figure.